Well, it's another fine Friday out here, my friends. I'm out here with a couple of hundred of my closest friends on the highway. As you can see, oh dear, I'm going 2 miles an hour over the speed limit. Better back it down a little here. What it is though, everybody out here is speeding. Every single one of these cars in front of me is speeding, and what they're all trying to do is it's a 4-mile race to the Sagamore Bridge here, and they all want to get in front of me and then jam the brakes on before I get there. They think it's funny or something, huh? They know that I got to do the speed limit driving this gasoline tanker here, and they know that they can do whatever they want. Nobody's going to stop them, because most of the police out here, well, most of them don't get paid enough to do what they have to do, and lots of times they just want to wait till somebody crashes and then clean up the scene. There's no sense pulling you over and giving you a ticket, because you go to court and get out of it anyway and waste their time. But anyway, my friends, I hope you all drive safe. Oh dear, see, now we got something we're supposed to move over for, and the people, they won't let you move over for yellow lights. I don't know why these guys with the yellow lights would stop over a hill. Oh, because they got to fix the sign. Never stop over a hill. Okay, stop before the hill. If the road curves to the right, the left, stop on a left curve. You can see, you don't stop on a right curve around a blind corner or over a hill. All right, that's the tip for the day. All right then. You all have a good day now. God bless you.